Good afternoon, sir. We are interviewing Mr. A.K. Sharma, who is a Navi Mumbai Police Commissioner. Welcome to Media, sir. Thank you for your time. Uh, Sir, in Navi Mumbai areas like Nerul, Kanamboli, and Karkar have witnessed to many murders, chain snatching, and shootouts also. What do you think is the main reason for all this?
There have not been many. In fact, say from year 2001 till about 10, it used to be about 80 murders a year in Navi Mumbai. And they have been continuously decreasing only. Because earlier there was less population, so there were isolated areas. There used to be some murders, some dacoities, etc. Because the population has now become more thicker, so there are less murders. Still in 2012 we had 57 murders. Out of that we had detected 50. That was the least number of murders in the last 12 years. This year, till the end of September, we have only 36 murders. In the same 9 months period, last year there were 43 murders. So murders are less by 7.
Okay.
And most of the murders, they are not preventable. They happen. It is, I'll say, a good luck that there are less number of murders. So it is not right to say that there have been many murders.
So numbers have come down.
Numbers have come down and our detection percentage have also gone up.
What would you attribute the reason to? Is it more because of certain training or certain methodology?
I don't believe in I say that the people will respect police only if for three things we are rather blamed that police does not register. So we should not try to curb crime by not resisting. So there should be free registration, and those who come to the police station, they should all get good behavior. This is two things that deter people from coming to the police station or reporting that crime. After that, our detection, prevention, conviction, these are important. So emphasis on the detection. So in 11, this percentage of detection was 54%. Last year we tried, after my coming here, till that time it was 51% only. So overall we reached a level of 60% detection last year. And last year the crime was less by about 500. So there was 10% decrease in crime and about 8-9% increase in detection also. So it went from 54 to 60. And the murders, as I said, this year out of 36, 31 are detected and 2 are detected, but criminals have not been caught so far. So in effect 33 have been detected.
So my second
And
question
about chain snatching, I will also answer.
Yes.
That is the best success I believe we have done. Last year, in last 4 months we had tried, like I came in 6th month, but 7th and 8th month,
June,
I couldn't comprehend that well, and we didn't took it as a mission of curbing chain snatching. Still last year there were 322 chain snatchings in the entire year. In the last 4 months there were less, only about 70 in last 4 months. But first 8 months they were about 200. Now till the end of 9th month there were 271 in last year, and this year only 167. So it is less by 104, means less by about 45%. So this is the main achievement I consider of the police, that we have really curbed the chain snatching at least. Similarly, all offences about the women, all offences, except there is one murder of Mrs. Sandhya Singh which has not been detected and which has been given to Mumbai Crime Branch for the last 6-7 months. So all crimes against the women, whether murder or rape or any other offences, they have been detected. So detection this year,
Has improved.
as I said, कि last year it was 60%, which was better in all 20 years of the existence of commission rate. This year this is already 65%. We hope it may go up to 66 or more, but 65% we are almost certain that we will be able to maintain. So crime is, I believe, being prevented also and being detected also.
So, but also at the same time, we also hear residents alleging that police is not performing, and now they feel thoda insecure. If
Though
murders
I
keep
have
happening-
read in 2 or 3 surveys done by different papers.
Yes.
One is the Fourth Estate
Yes.
and one is the DNA.
Yes.
So majority of the women feel they are safe in this situation. The women who don't feel safe were about 20% only. Women who felt safe were about 50+%, and those who were not sure were about 35% only. So generally surveys indicate that women are feeling comparatively safe in Navi Mumbai than other areas. So, but as I said, कि generally it is the 1 month or 2 months, people tend to forget what happened in the early year, they tend to remember this year. But even if one woman feel unsafe, we are responsible and it is our duty to take away that feeling, and we are trying for that.
So it's been more than 1 year then that you took charge now in Police Commissioner. What has been your most enhancing achievement for the department? Besides
I
this?
said we have been trying to ensure that there is all free registration. Crime should not be, nobody should be refused registration of crime. So I don't mind whether the statics wise it goes up, but it should not be covered by not non-registration. Then we wanted that we should, people, those who come to the police station, they should be treated well and behavior of the police should be improved. But these are the things which cannot be measured. Measured thing is reduction in crime, detection percentage, recovery of property, and conviction rate. Like average conviction rate is in Maharashtra is about 10% only. 10%.
State, Maharashtra state.
Maharashtra state.
Okay.
Even less than 10%, 9 and something.
Right.
In 2012, we achieved about 25% conviction rate.
Navi Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai, which was very good. Only unit better than this was railway units, but no unit with territorial jurisdiction. Railway is on the railway only, but it was best among all other units except railway.
Okay, in the entire state.
In the last year. This year we have achieved a level of about 40%. It is near 39%, and we hope to touch by the year end 40%, which is better than any other unit by leaps and bounds. My guess is we had a conference recently in which all this was discussed. At that time we were 36%, and the second best unit was 26%. So we were up by 10%. My guess is we will, it is my desire now that we should touch 40% in the crime conviction, which will be almost, will now reaching the national level. Navi Mumbai only, while rest will be going, the state will be also trying, everyone else is also trying. From say about 9-10% to 14-15% will be the state average. But we will be the best unit going up to 40%.
So also a recent study shows that a lot of migrants have shifted to Navi Mumbai from various job opportunities. Does this mean extra pressure on the police department and more responsibility of the safety of the people because of various avenues opening?
In a way, the people who come here for the jobs, they are more educated. They are coming in the not the low paid and low class jobs.
Labor class.
Labor class there is less, though because of the construction activities going on, there are people in the labor class also. But generally people come for the middle level jobs or upper level jobs. So they add to the wealth of the city also, means as intellectuals, as professionals, and they do not they do not add to the crime. In fact, much less crime by them. So, to my mind, they are welcome in the city.
So also you are known amongst your circles as very nicest and soft-spoken person. Have you tried to implement this to your subordinates or officers who are rough, who are who need sometimes they become rude? So has any program or
Yeah.
anything been followed on that?
Every crime conference, whenever I talk to my officers, I insist on good behavior with all who come to meet us. I said ki if we keep taking programs with the community, though a lot of our officers are going to various societies, various the people who use the police service in the sense that those who are in the markets, various trade unions, various shopping malls, etc., to make people aware about the security, their security. They are taking meetings in the society, etc. But finally, it is our behavior with the people who come to our police station that should improve. Then the people will have faith, and we have been trying to emphasize this. So I even take this as an achievement that practically there are no complaints about people beating them in the police stations, and there has been no custodial death or that kind of. I take this as an achievement. Yeah.
So, as you said before, the Sandhya Singh case has been handed over to crime branch. Any leads in that?
No, it was a very difficult case. We tried our best as much as that. We checked about 3,000-4,000 auto rickshaws because it was that she had last been seen in an auto. And we checked 25 lakh phone calls which were made in that area during that period. So we tried a lot. In fact, it does not generally happen, but our DCP through ISRO tried to contact the satellite which have been moving in that area on those particular days. But then the images were not very clear. We were trying to find out whether this dead body, which was finally some bones were found there, whether those bones were there on what date, like on which date this satellite was passing through Navi Mumbai. But that kind of clear images were not available. But we tried very hard for this case. And I'm not sure whether, like after that, I don't know about the investigation whether Mumbai police has done some progress in that or not.
So my last question would be, other than your normal this thing, do you have any hobbies or interests? What do you like to do?
Yes, I spend most of my time reading. I read in all 4 languages, mainly in Hindi and Punjabi, English and Marathi also. I'm fond of literature in all these 4 languages, and I try to read almost every day 2-3 hours. I try to read these books, apart from the normal reading, official reading or paper reading. So I'm a voracious reader, and slightly for the last 5-6 years I've taken running as a hobby and try to run half marathon in the Standard Chartered. Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for your time. Thank you for talking to media.